This one-owner trade-in is like new. Call ASAP. Nicely equipped with symmetrical all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, AC, power windows and locks, keyless entry, alloy wheels, CD player with O-input jack, roof rails and more. Who could say no to a truly wonderful SUV like this terrific-looking 2011 Subaru Forester? Designated by Consumer Guide as a recommended compact SUV in 2011. Polar is the safest, easiest place on earth to buy a vehicle. No kidding. Call, email, or stop by today.